Hello. In this video, we are going to see the best encoding software, Handbrake. Let's see how we are going to use this software and what is the use of this software. So you can just use this software from handbrake.fr. Okay, so this is a freeware tool which is open software used for Windows, Mac, and Linux, any OS independent. So you can convert any of the videos from one format to another format. For example, if your videos is MP4 or MKV or web format, that can be converted into any format, Android specific or Mac specific, or even convert to the 4K. So just I'm going to download for Windows specific. It is an open platform one, and you can download by clicking this one. I already downloaded. If you want, you can click and install it. The installation is very straightforward. Once you install it, you will get the installation file like this. I'm just opening this file. This is the executable for the Handbrake. Okay, so how to use this Handbrake tool? So here you can open a single video file, or if you have a folder which is consists of more than one file, if you want to convert more than 5 files, then you can keep it in a folder and you can share that folder. For example, I'm just going to use single file. So let's click this file. I already have one video. This is a Pixel downloaded video. I'm just selecting it. Okay, so you can see that in the these are the some of the pre-settings available in this Handbrake tool. For example, in the general, it will tell about is it you want to convert to the 1080 with a 30 frames rate, or 720 or 576 or 480. So this kind of a predefined presets are available. So this is the destination format what you want to convert your file, and then you have the web-based formats, like if you want to convert a small compatible format. For example, some of the Gmails will accept some predefined format, so accordingly you can convert, or Wimco based, UT based. So these kind of presets are available. And similarly for devices specific, for example, you want to convert this video for specific to Android, and what is the frame rate, you can select it, or Apple specific or other devices specific. You can see all these devices available, and some of the other production related formats and MKV related formats also available. So depends on your need, you can select what is the destination you want to make it. For example, I want to make this format for example, I'm just making it to default is 1080. Suppose I want to make it as a fast 480. Okay, then you can see that the preview got changed accordingly, and you can see the dimension. So dimension is the width, everything is automatically specified, and you can just crop if you want it. And the filters, there are some default filters available, so you may not need to change anything unless there is you want to specifically change it. For example, rotate, if you want to flip anything. Suppose if you flip for 180 degree, and you can see in the summary it will be rotate accordingly. So it is according to your need, you can change it. I'm just keeping it as it is. And videos, so here most of the important video specific, quality specific, frame rate and other video codec, everything will be available here. So this role we don't need to change it specifically, because based on the selection in the preset, accordingly it's changing. Suppose if I'm selecting very fast, then you can see that there's changes in the quality and codec and other details. So Yeah, there is no need to change it if you are selecting the presets, but if you want to customize, you can do it. Other things are like audios. Suppose if you want to add any specific audio or tracks, then you can add a new audio tracks and the subtitles. So it will accept any of the subtitles if you already uh, have the specific subtitle formats. And similarly the chapters. So this has only one chapter, so we are not going to make any changes. So I'm just, for example, I've just selected 480p. So this is the format I wanted. And also suppose I want to make some dimension change. For example, I don't want this small mountain to be visible. So I can go here to the dimension and the custom, and I can change the bottom to, for example, I can make it some 150 in the bottom, so you can see in the summary, yeah, it is changed a little bit, but still I can see a little bit of the mountain. I can just change this in the dimension to make it more appropriate. For example, I will make it as 200. So you can see that now this is purely the image without that the small mountain part. So like that you can make dimensions accordingly. So once you've done all these changes, all you need to do is to the start encoding. So before that, I just want to change the settings to MP4, and instead of original, I can keep this as 480 format. Okay, and then let's start encode. So it will start converting the files. Since I gave only one video file, it will convert only one file. So it started doing the conversion, and you can see the percentage. Parallelly, you can do the other things as well. The recording is finished now. We can open and see the encoder file. I'll just open the Explorer. You can see that the original, which is of MP4, 16 megabytes, but the same pixelless video, which is 480, which is of 5 megabytes only. So you can see that vast difference in the conversion. Okay, so like that you can do the conversion for any of the files. Suppose I want to make it as a more powerful one. For example, if I make it as 4K one, suppose I have a 4K based settings. Suppose, yeah, this is the 4K one. Okay, suppose if I want to make it a 4K, you can see the video is frame rate is 60 frames per second. Okay, so just don't need to do anything here. So suppose I want to truncate that again, this mountain area, I can just keep it as the bottom is 200, and I can see only this area, but still the quality is same. Let's start the encoding. Okay, so I just want to rename it because this file I just created. So this I'm going to create as 4K one. Okay, this is MP4. Start the encoding. So if you want, you can add the preview if you want. And also you can see all the logs, whatever is happening, is everything is loaded here with the appropriate logging information. So let's wait to complete this process. Okay, it is about to complete now. Okay, it's completed now. So you can see that the same file in 4K format, it is of 18 megabytes. It increases the frame rate and increases the size. So like that, you can convert any file, any video file to the different file format. And main advantage is it is a cross-platform used in any OS, and it will support multiple file formats. that's it about this video. Hope you enjoyed.